Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
So hi everyone. In this session, I'm here to explain about exist and not exist operators from MySQL. So these exist operator is used to test for the existence of the record in subquery. So we use the exist when we want to check if related data is present in another table, and so if you want to validate the conditions before processing the data and filter the main table records based on the child table existence. So these exist operator are used in real-time applications like e-commerce application. So in the bank means customer who have placed at least one order in e-commerce, and so in the bank system, so we can find the accounts that have the transactions, and in the school management system, so get the students who are enrolled in any course, and one more is employee management system. We can find the employees who have attendance records, and online booking system shows users who made bookings. So by using existence operator, so and not exist is used to check if the subquery does not return any rows. So if subquery not exist, so the outer query executed. This is useful when you want to find the records that have corresponding record in another table. So these used for the missing data. So detect the inactive users, and so identify the records without relationships. So and in the banking systems, find the accounts with no transactions, and in the school management system, we are using find the students who are not enrolled in any course, and inventory system. So we can find the products that were not never sold out, and in HR system, and in HR system, we are finding the employees who never logged attendance. So so in the real time, so the exist operator is useful for faster for large data, and stops for checking once match is found. It improves the performance and used for validations and reports. So let me check practically. So here we have syntax: select column names from table name where exist, and so so wherever we are using the parenthesis, this is the subquery, and so this is the outer query. So the subquery is right hand side, and outer query is the left hand side. See that so some queries are there. Select the customers who have placed at least one order. So at least one order. So to find out that, we need two tables. Here we have customer table, and one I'm taking two tables, customer table and order table. So in the customer table we have customer ID, customer name, customer date. In the orders table, order ID and order date I am taking. So here we have a query. So select the customer who were placed at least one order. So I'm writing the query. Select star from customers where exist. Select star from orders. So match both the customer IDs from both tables. So here we have no customer ID in the orders table. So let me create that. So now I'm adding the customer ID for that. Alter table orders, add ID, integer data type. So got zero errors. So now update that. Select star from orders. see that order ID, order date, and here I am taking the customer ID. So customer ID in the customer table 1 2 3 4. So I am taking this. So just write the update query. So update orders set customer ID. So here we are using the ID equals to 1, where order ID, so where order ID equals to 1. So order ID 2 and the customer ID 2. So order ID 3, so customer ID 3 I am taking. So just update all the, so we have updated that. So I have updated. So now I am writing the query. So select star from customer where exist, select star from orders. Just so from the customer table we have to match that ID from the customer table, and so customer ID from the order table. So customer dot customer ID. So give the table name where customer dot ID equals to orders dot ID. So match both the IDs. So close the parenthesis. So customers does not exist, so customer we have to take. See that 1 2 3 has ordered items. So these customers are placed at least one order, and not exist. See that retrieve the customer who were not placed any orders. So who are not placed any orders means here we are using the not exist operator. So select star from customer where not exist, select star from orders. So where customer dot customer ID, so customer dot ID equals to orders dot ID. Just close parenthesis, select and execute. So here we have one error. So here we have to use the proper where class. Select and execute. See that this customer ID 4 so did not place any order. So in this way we are using the exist and not exist operators from MySQL. So we are using these all these operators everywhere we are using. So I will discuss remaining topics in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.